Shashi's sari story, have you seen the alliteration? Considering that he's a man of words, he's a wordsmith, I decided it should be alliterative. Shashi's sari story, keep saying that, maybe it will be a tongue twister. Now, Dr. Shashi Tharoor, the astute politician and erudite man and writer, is well known, undoubtedly. But that doesn't mean he can't sound banal. In a latest, Tharoor spoke about what he thought of an aspect of our, or should I say my, mulierbrity. Gosh, I know that was a very tough word. It just means femininity or womanly qualities, and in this context, the attire I wear most often, the sari. While campaigning, Shashi heaped praise on Punjab, and please, and not for the green revolution or its sturdiness, but for having invented the salwar kameez. You know what? Maybe historians can weigh in on this. Was the salwar kameez invented in Punjab or maybe adapted in Punjab? There is a big difference between the two, as Dr. Tharoor would say. And in comparison to the salwar kameez, he held up what I am sure he would only refer to as 6 yards of unstitched garment, what you and I know as a sari. He spoke about the ubiquitous sari and said how it was being eclipsed in comparison to the salwar kameez, as that was more comfortable. He referred to his home state where sari was now less preferred than salwar kameez, and also quoted some woman as having told him when he must have rued over the endangered sari. The woman apparently turned to him and said acerbically, that word, you know, whoever wrote that, brilliant, it is so Tharoor. The woman said, try catching a bus in a sari. I know what you are thinking. Does Shashi Tharoor know anyone who catches a bus? And also speaks to him about it, that you know, maine 425 pakdi. Also, haven't we seen many women in a sari in buses? Seriously. Anyway, my point being that I have always worn saris. I have reported wearing one. I have run to get a bite in a sari. Here, Dr. Tharoor is talking about comfort. How does he know? Unless he has worn a sari or maybe even a salwar kameez to know the difference, and I really appreciate that. Also, isn't comfort about an individual, or Dr. Tharoor thinks there is a universal rule applied to comfort? A woman wearing a mekhla sador in Assam may find a chudidar very uncomfortable. What's with equating a sari with discomfort? Can Dr. Tharoor leave all this to others, like he leaves his mundu behind in Kerala and dresses as he thinks is appropriate in Delhi? You know what? Dr. Tharoor should perhaps ask the Gandhi women, you know, who doesn't know the kind of saris that Mrs. Indira Gandhi wore? She had the best collection, and she has walked in a sari, run in a sari, and even sat on an elephant wearing a sari. So, is Dr. Tharoor insinuating that had she worn a salwar kameez, she would have done better? Or what about Sonia Gandhi, who is most often seen in a sari? Or for that matter, many, many women who work and manage in a sari wonderfully. Look around you. Dr. Tharoor should maybe ask Gandhi women and hold out the sari in one hand and a salwar kameez in another, you know, balance it out. And I am sure he shall get a reply like, khatakhat, khatakhat, khatakhat.